Hi, this is Rakesh. I'm a tutor and teaching is my passion. I'm taking from last 10 years and especially I'm taking math and physics. I have lots of students. I taught around 80 students from last 10 years and everyone getting more than 95% average marks in board exam. I have approximate 20 students from the B engineering. I'm taking from my engineering students also. They're very excellent result in last 5 years. And some students from the coming from IIT. I'm taking from some IIT students also from B first year. And everyone getting very good result, and I'm giving everyone for innovative idea, means how to handle any questions. This is my main aim. Okay, today I'm telling about the matrices. So topic is matrices. That is types of matrices. How many types of matrices? There are many types of matrices like row matrix, column matrix, square matrix, diagonal matrix, identity matrix, equal matrix, and zero matrices. So now start one by one. First we do row matrices. What is row matrices? Row matrices having only one row, means any one row is horizontal. That is horizontal means one row. So any matrices having only one row is called as a row matrix, like A equal to 2, 0, 5, 6, 7. A single row is called as row matrices. Now next you have to do column matrices. So column matrices having the only one column, a matrix having only one column, single column is called as column matrices. Like you can write in vertically 5, 6, 7 vertically only one column. This is called a column matrices. Now we have to do next one, a square matrices. What is a square matrices? That a square matrices having the equal number of rows and columns, in both same. What is number of rows? Same number of columns, both equal. This is called as a square matrices. So that is simply know this. If given anything 2 into 2 order, 3 into 3 order, the number of rows and number of column both same is called a square matrix. Now next, diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix is diagonally elements. Only diagonal elements is something, but except diagonals, everything would be zero. All elements except diagonal elements would be zero. This is called a diagonal matrix. Now here, and next we have to do identity matrix. What is identity matrix? Identity matrix means what? Having this also called as identity matrix means unit matrix. So identity matrix means a diagonal matrix having diagonal elements are unity. So first this is diagonal matrix, and if all elements, diagonal elements are unity means one. Means diagonal elements are one. This is called as identity matrix or unit matrix. It is represented by capital I. This is called as identity matrix. Now we have to do equal matrices. Equal matrices means what? The matrix having equal number of rows and equal number of columns, both same. And corresponding elements are also equal. Means first element 2 in matrix A, first element 2. In matrix B also first element should be 2 only. Like this, the corresponding elements also exactly equal. And number of rows and number of column also equal. It's called equal matrix. Means everything should be equal. Corresponding elements equal, number of rows and number of columns are equal. This is called as equal matrix. Okay, this equal matrix is used for to solve the equations. This application to solve the equations, if given something to find the value of x and y using the equal matrices, or system of equation or linear equations also use equal matrices. Now zero matrix. A zero matrix having the all elements are zero inside this matrix. All element would be zero. Zero, everything zero. All elements are zero inside this matrix is called as zero matrix. This is represented by O, and this value is 0. Now algebra of matrices. What is algebra of matrices? So there are many. Algebra means addition, subtraction, multiplication. It's called algebra of matrices. Now here we do addition. What is addition of matrices? So what is first no condition? What is condition of addition of matrices? The condition of addition of matrices. should be if you have two matrices, so order should be same. Both matrices order should be same, then you can add or addition possible, or subtraction also same for addition and subtraction. So number of order for the both the matrices should be same, then addition or subtraction possible. Otherwise addition or subtraction not possible. Now we have to do addition of a matrix. One example, if you have 1 0 5 6, a equal to 1 0 5 6 and b equal to 1 2 3 0. Now to find a plus b. So how to find addition of both matrices? The corresponding element I have to add. How to add corresponding element? How to add? You have the corresponding element, then by first element you have to add by first element to first element. So first element you have to add by 1. Suppose this given first element of 1 and in matrix A, and second element also in matrix B also 1. 1 plus 1 you have to add simply. 1 plus 1 2 first element. Again second element 0, and B also second element is 2. 0 plus 2 becomes 2. Like this you have to add. Again you have to add 5 plus 3 corresponding value, third element to third element in both the matrices. So 5 plus 3 becomes 8. Again last element to have 6. 6 plus 0 means in matrix A is 6 and matrix B is 0. Both you have to add. A plus B is 6 plus 0 corresponding elements. So 6 plus 0 becomes 6. Now I have to do subtraction. This also having the same order. Both matrices should be same order. One example, here also corresponding element would be subtracted. A equal to, suppose one example, A equal to 3 2 and B equal to 1 2 we have. So first element to first element subtract. First element of matrix A and corresponding first element of matrix B would be subtracted. Like in first matrix A having the first element is 3 and matrix B having the first element is 1. So subtract A minus B becomes 3 minus 1, you will get 2, like this. Again in matrix A second element is 2 and matrix B second element also 2. So 2 minus 2 subtract becomes 0. Hi, if you are feeling happy and understanding idea is if you like my what I am teaching, my teaching idea, please check my profile on Urban Pro. Then you can take decision. Thank you.